Alright, good to go. Whew. I'm sitting comfortably. Can you see my whole outfit? Guys, please look at how huge. This isn't even the box with the legs for the ring light. This is just the ring light box. Sweetie, go big or go home. Let me sit properly.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Ringlight and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I've literally been on like a whole 2-month hiatus, but I'm so grateful that you guys came back and checking out my content still. If you haven't subscribed as yet, honey, please don't waste any more time and click the subscribe button immediately because the content I'm about to give you guys personally, I'm excited. Like, I know that, guys, we're gonna take it all the way to the top. So yeah, let's just get started. Today, as you can see from the title, it will be an unboxing of my brand new ring light, and then I'll also be, that's why I'm screaming, guys. Like, in all honesty, I'm cooling guys all the time, but I live in such a busy street. Anyway, so like you can see, as you can see from my title, today we'll be doing an unboxing of my brand new ring light from Camera Stuff, and I'll be comparing it with the ring light that I bought when I first started, you know, investing in my craft. So the first ring light that I bought is actually from Take A Lot, which is the same ring light that a lot of other influencers have and started with. And then what we'll be doing after I'm done unboxing it is a quick demo so we can compare the power. That's what's important, honey, the power. Because, you know, I used to think that the size of the ring light was what mattered until I went to a photo shoot and I saw like a really decent sized ring light which had so much brightness. Like, we were working until 8 or 9 o'clock at night, and even at that time, like when she switched on the ring light, my pictures on my phone, I use an iPhone 7, so the quality isn't that great at night. The pictures on my phone, because of the ring light, it looked even better than natural sunlight, my boy. I knew right then and there that, like, literally next time I get paid, I have to just jump on. So let's just get started. This is the box. This is the box that it came in. It's quite big, and as I told you earlier, it was just the ring light that came. It wasn't the ring light and the look. I ordered a whole package. We'll speak about that. I ordered a whole package, but then this box is specifically just for the ring light. Let me tell you more about the ring light. Like I told you guys, power is really important, so you need to check the watts. Even when you're going to go buy from, you know, China Mall or when you're buying from Take A Lot, you need to check how many watts it is. Size it's cool and stuff, but then power is what you should be paying most attention to. So this ring light over here is 100 watts. Honey, I can't wait. I literally haven't tried it out. I'll be trying it out with you guys for the first time, so I'm pretty excited. It's 100 watts. It's got, and it's a busy road, bro. You'll ask me, why do you drive like that? No, in Gucci there's a robot right here. Anyway, like I said, it's 100 watts. It's dimmable. It came with a few accessories which we will get into now. So I already took it out of the box, and guys, wait, let me put this aside actually. Guys, it came in like a bag. How profesh is that? It's super professional, hey? So I was really impressed that it came in like this bag. It also comes with like an instruction guide, and obviously where you can connect, a plug for you to connect the ring light so it can actually work. So if you actually read the box that comes from Camera Stuff, it says that it doesn't come with a phone holder, but I'm gonna put the link in my caption. The package that I bought, and it was around about 3.2. The package that I bought included, okay, because you can have guys, I'm moving in circles. Wait, let me just pull myself towards myself. Okay, so you can actually just buy the ring light alone, but Camera Stuff actually offers packages, and the package that I bought, which is already like an already made package, was 3.2. So it came with the ring light, it came with the phone accessories, it came with the mirror, and it also came with the legs for the ring light to stand on. So it depends on you, but I obviously like I'm gonna use it for YouTube and for pictures, so I needed the phone thing, so that's why I bought that package specifically. And this is how the inside of the bag looks. I mean, once you've opened up these things, and you can just place them in there, and then yeah. Let's get to the ring light itself. Bro, I need to go big or go home. This is what I'm talking about. This is the ring light itself. I think this is huge. I'm so happy with it. It's got an on and off button, and where you can actually plug it in, right? And then this is where you can dim and change colors, I guess. But yeah, this is the ring light itself, and hope you can't see all my makeup on my bed. Whew, embarrassing.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Guys, my room is actually such a mess. Like, I hope you can't see it. I hope you can't see it. It's such a long story, but then I can't use my front camera, so I can't see what's going on. But I hope you can't see the mess that my room is in, because it is embarrassing. It is embarrassing. So this is the flat part of the bag, right? And then in here, we have a mirror. Whoop, zooms right in, hey? We have a mirror. So this mirror can obviously be placed over here for when you are either doing makeup or when you just want to see yourself when you're taking pictures or videos. So yes, that is it. Give me a second to put everything back, and then I can show you guys how big the box of the legs was. Like, this is a professional ring light. Like, you know what, one thing I'm learning about like the ventures that I go into is that it's very important to invest in yourself, and not just financially but with knowledge also. And you know, with that being said, I've been watching a lot of I know that YouTube obviously isn't like the beginning and end all of finding out the ins and outs of influencer marketing, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and like, you know, a day in the life of a blogger, and you know, these people legit have like a whole room full of props. So that's what I mean. You really have to invest in yourself, like with the equipment that you use, your knowledge, like do like those free online courses. But yeah, I'm trying to do that because I'm definitely super serious about this. That's why I'm joining manje, join the winning team, huh? Just joking. You ain't a hoe unless you wanna be. Okay, let's get the legs. Okay, so for the legs, I'm basically gonna stand, but this is how big the legs are, and it's quite sturdy, unlike my old ring light, because it's huge. It's huge, it's huge, it's huge. My darling, it's humongous. And see how sturdy these legs are. Like, it's gonna stay in position. My old ring light, my love, my old ring light, if the wind goes, it's late. And thing is, you know, like, I really love Take-A-Lot. I really genuinely love Take-A-Lot, but a lot of their items are really bad quality. I've had this ring light for like 2 years, the one that I'm using right now from Take-A-Lot, and I swear, like, the top parts, the ring light parts, literally broke off like every second week of every month, like at least every second week of every second Sunday at least, let me say. But yeah, so that's the whole ring light, and I think we should definitely just get into comparison now, right? So here's my firstborn, my very first ring light, 10-inch from Take-A-Lot with super lightweight legs. It's got me through a lot. Literally, we've had our ups and downs, as you can see with the glue, but I'm super grateful for it because it's got me through a lot of campaigns and gigs. One thing that just annoyed me was the legs and the fact that I couldn't, record after a certain time because it would be too dark. Okay, let's do the comparison. I just realized that, so I think that this is the place where, I'm not even that, I think this is obviously definitely the place where you're supposed to place your phone, but it's disturbed by these two knobs. Am I not doing this right? Because when I put my phone here, it can't, do you see what I'm saying? So I had to use my smaller ring lights, but then I think that that's just looking at that comparison, that's just insane in itself. So yeah, so first frame is for my original ring light, which is honestly not that bad. So if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend it. But if you've been around in the game, honey, invest in your equipment, because the better your content, the more gigs you're going to bag. Okay, so earlier on when I was talking about size and watts, this is exactly what I meant. When I was searching on Takealot, I actually found a ring light that's the exact same size as the one that I have, but it was like reasonably, not even reasonably, like much more cheaper than what I had paid at Camera Stuff. But the reason is obviously because the legs are really lightweight. But if you look over here, so the power is actually 60 watts. So please don't think that size is what matters. Please look at your power, the watts, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way until the end. I really appreciate it, from the bottom all the way to the top of my heart. You can see that the quality of this video is just so crisp, and please note I'm using an iPhone 7, so it's not even close to the latest one, but the quality just looks so great. If you want to check out my pictures, you can follow me on Instagram. You can also just check me out on Twitter, please. But thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Check out my previous videos and see you later.